Hi, my name is Austin Clark, and I'm doing a presentation on steam power properties and its relation to the gas laws. What type of process is it? Steam power is a physical process. The reason it's physical, because the water is being heated to a high temperature, creating steam and pressure. High pressure steam is then used to turn turbines that then turn a generator that produces electricity. After steam is used in the turbine, it is then condensed back down to water state. In other words, it did not change state, it did not change its actual being, it just changed states. What is steam power and what is it used for? Steam power is a source that is used to power machines such as a turbine, a generator, or a steam powered tractor, which has been used in older generations of farming. It is used to produce electricity in power plants such as PWRs, BWRs, and coal plants. The way the PWR, BWR, and the coal plant differ, the PWR and BWR use a uranium fuel pellet to create a nuclear fission in order to produce heat, which heats up the water and creates steam. Coal plant uses obviously coal to produce heat. It just burns coal and produces heat to heat the water. What's steam power and what is it used for? A steam power tractor operates in a similar way as a coal plant. Both use coal to heat the water to create steam, but a steam power tractor is on a much simpler and smaller scale versus the coal plant. Also, the tractor keeps the mechanical energy state in which the steam is. It just converts it through the gears to the axle to turn the wheels on the tractor. Where a coal plant, it converts steam into, well, it converts the mechanical energy of the steam into electrical through turning a turbine, which turns a generator to produce electricity. Lately, due to the nuclear technology, coal plants are also beginning to be shut down because they are having a problem with condensing and controlling their pollution. Steam power plays a role in our society. It is said that approximately 90% of the electricity in the United States is produced by thermoelectric power plants. These consist of nuclear, coal, natural gas, and oil plants. The electricity produced by these plants power businesses, factories, homes, schools, so that we can produce things and better our knowledge of things, and also just better economy and all. Steam power and the kinetic molecular theory. Kinetic molecular theory states that an explanation of how gases behave based on experimental evidence and observations. How steam power shows the kinetic molecular theory is by heating the water. The water molecules are in a constant slow motion, but are once heated, they speed up and collide with each other, creating heat. When the water is heated, it turns into steam, and once the steam is confined into a smaller space, it creates more pressure. The process is a conversion of mechanical energy into electrical. Steam power and the law of conservation of matter. The law of conservation of matter states that in a mechanical equation, matter is neither created nor destroyed or rearranged. It's just rearranged. Such as in steam power. The water is just heated up, created the steam, it is used, and once its use is over, then it is condensed back down the water for reuse in the same process. How steam power relates to the ideal gas law through the equation of PV equals nRT, which is pressure times volume equals number of atoms times the constant rate of 0.0821 atm per mole Kelvin, and multiplied by the temperature. The pressure increases the higher the temperature of the steam, and the lower the volume is that it is contained in. Here's an example problem. You can see as with pressure, you have number of atoms times the ratio times temperature. As these three increase, your pressure increases also. And with the lower volume, in which those are put in, the increase of, pressure, the pressure increase goes up also. Here's some vocabulary that help you better understand all the things I've went over, and here are some more, and here's what's cited. Thank you.